Arkio 2.2 introduces improvements to performance, visual quality, and plugin and import workflows, making everyday design tasks more intuitive across all devices. Our Revit, Rhino, and SketchUp plugins now display export settings alongside a live progress bar, giving you better visibility and control during exports. You can choose options such as opening your export directly in a new Arkio scene, adjusting the level of detail, and selecting which objects should be treated as movable. The plugins open Arkio on your PC to process your model for viewing on other devices. Arkio also places the model in a scene that automatically opens on your MetaQuest or other cloud-connected device, making exporting a model to VR as easy as pressing a button. We've also simplified Arkio's subscriptions to make it easier for everyone to get started with design collaboration. The free starter plan now supports loading large 3D models in OBJ and GLB formats and allows you to host one-on-one meetings without a time limit. The Pro and Floating Enterprise subscriptions expand on this by enabling larger meetings, offering more control, and unlocking access to our bidirectional plugins and advanced features like sections and the new movable families. You can now load movable components directly from your Revit, Rhino, and SketchUp projects by selecting specific categories or layers during export. These components appear in Arkio as individual, editable objects that behave just like native Arkio elements, allowing you to easily test design details at human scale or explore new layouts together with your team in real time. Each project can include up to 1,000 movable elements, supported by an updated LOD system designed to handle larger imports. This means you can work with hundreds of elements in a scene without impacting performance, even on mobile devices like the MetaQuest headset. One of the most powerful aspects of this workflow is that any movable objects you reposition or new design ideas you create in Arkio can be sent back to your original modeling tool. Using the new plugin import dialog, you can access your latest exports from Arkio and choose the settings needed to seamlessly bring your design changes back into your existing project. Arkio Cloud has also been further simplified, now including a dedicated status icon, notifications, and a unified panel available in both VR and non-VR modes. From this panel, you can manage all cloud settings and view the latest synchronized files. When you import or export to an unconnected device, Arkio can now create a device group for you and display a link code to enable automatic syncing of models to your other devices. And if you prefer not to use cloud functionality, you can turn it off at any time. The PC version of Arkio now starts in non-VR mode by default, letting it start quickly before enabling VR for any OpenXR-supported headset. We've also introduced a new Arkio Labs tab in the settings, where you can explore experimental features for upcoming releases. At the moment, you can enable or disable hand tracking in this tab. Finally, we've made a wide range of improvements to streamline workflows and enhance the overall experience across both VR and non-VR devices, alongside the addition of a new help center and feedback page. Visit our website for more information or join the conversation on our community forum.